Recipe for natural collagen cream. Smooths wrinkles, strengthens joints, and firms the skin. Making it costs just pennies. The main ingredient is garlic, but don't worry, you won't detect its smell in the cream. For this recipe, you'll need 8 cloves of garlic. Peel them. Garlic contains vitamins such as A and E, which nourish the skin. Place the peeled cloves in a saucepan and pour in 250 milliliters of water. Boil for 5 minutes. It's important to note that garlic has rejuvenating properties. This is due to a lysine, a compound that inhibits the formation of wrinkles and helps reduce existing ones. Allow it to cool. Then transfer the garlic and infusion to a tall container. Blend into a smooth paste using a blender. Next, strain it into a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything thoroughly. The mixture should be free of lumps. Place the saucepan over low heat and heat until you achieve a creamy consistency. Divide the garlic cream into 2 portions, set one aside for later. Add a teaspoon of almond oil and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the other portion. Aloe vera has moisturizing properties. It soothes skin inflammations and irritations. Add 3 drops of lavender oil. Store it in a glass container in the refrigerator. This cream has a lovely fragrance. It has anti-wrinkle effects, stimulates skin cell renewal, and improves elasticity. Apply the cream to your hands, neckline, and face. From the second portion of garlic, you can make a healing collagen ointment. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties and accelerates wound healing. Add your favorite essential oil. Transfer to a glass container. The ointment can be stored in the refrigerator for a week. Apply it cold to sore joints. Garlic contains sulfur, which also stimulates the body to produce collagen. This recipe is a natural alternative to chemical collagen creams. Making it costs just a few cents. Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. I iron a cabbage leaf and place it on my knee. Ever since my grandmother started walking independently again, I do this regularly. Take a cabbage head and tear off a large leaf. Warm it slightly with an iron, but not too hot. This softens the leaf's fibers and increases its flexibility. It also releases the cabbage's natural juices and nutrients, which is important. Apply coconut oil to the sore knee or any other part of the body. It works as a natural moisturizer and anti-inflammatory. Spread it evenly. Then, place the cabbage leaf on top and secure it with tape or a light bandage. Cabbage has cooling and soothing properties that can help reduce swelling and joint pain. It also has anti-inflammatory effects, relieves pain, and speeds up tissue healing and regeneration. Make sure the leaf sticks to your skin, which is why the ironing step is essential. With just a simple cabbage leaf and coconut oil, you can move freely again. Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results.